In addition to providing reliable navigation on and off-road, Edge 130 also provides peace of mind by offering a variety of cycling awareness features. In this video, we'll give you a quick rundown of the built-in features, as well as the ones you can access with our optional Varia cycling awareness accessories. For example, when Edge 130 is paired with your phone, open the Garmin Connect mobile app to start using Live Track while you ride. With Live Track, you can give family and friends peace of mind by inviting them to see your location and follow your rides in real time. Even if you're not using Live Track, Edge 130 has the Assistance feature, which makes it quick and easy to manually send your location in case you run into difficulty. First, you need to assign your emergency contacts. You can do this when you initially pair the Edge with your phone, or do it later through the Garmin Connect mobile app, and enter up to 3 emergency contacts. Then, if you find yourself in need of assistance during a ride, all you have to do is push and hold the power button for about 5 seconds. This will trigger a message to be sent, including a link to your location. That way your contacts can easily find you. It can also be canceled if you send it in error. Edge 130 also pairs with various cycling awareness accessories so you can ride with confidence. Start with the Varia UT800 Smart Headlight, which you can control right from your Edge screen. Next, you can pair the 130 with a Rearview Radar, like the new Varia RTL 510. This radar warns you of vehicles approaching from behind and has a bright tail light that makes you more visible to motorists too. Varia Radar integrates seamlessly with your Edge 130, getting your attention with visual and audible alerts, so you can be aware of cars coming up behind you without even having to turn your head. That's all for now. To learn more about riding with Edge 130, make sure to watch the other videos in this series.